Hello everyone, it is Shimmy here. I am just going to do a very quick tutorial for you. I've had a couple of students asking if there's an easier way to extract a sphere, and here on the screen you'll see it is the Earth, or if there's a perfect square. Over here you'll find the elliptical tools. It is the rectangular, elliptical marquee, single row marquee, and the single column marquee. We are actually going to use the elliptical marquee tool. Please bring it over here to your Earth, which is the picture that I'm using right now. And you'll notice that it should change into a plus sign. At this point, I am a little bit outside of where I want to start. I'm going to hold the mouse down and I'm going to click and drag. And one of the things that is awesome that we always remember is that we need to hit the shift key, and you'll notice that it turns into a perfect sphere or a circle. And what I'm looking at right now holding is that I'm looking at the top left-hand corner of the Earth and where that dotted line is and how far away it is from the edge compared to where my dotted line is at the bottom right-hand corner. And I want to be just a little bit in on this one because I can see a blue ring around it, which we do not want. So I'm going to let go. I'm going to come back in and I'm going to pull it up to mine, and I'm going to come in, and you can use the up and down arrows on your keyboard, but I do want to make sure that I really stay away from this blue line that is over here. So you can kind of see that very carefully. I'm going to go over and I'm going to click on the quick selection tool, making sure that it is quick selection tool and not the magic wand tool. Once you have done that, you'll notice up here at the top of your area that it changed a little bit. Depending on if you have the old version or the new version, obviously you want to select, but we do want to mask. But with the new version, we need, it's hidden, the step that we need. So we are going to hit the shift key so we can refine those edges. And then we are going to come down and we are going to look at the output settings 2. In output 2, we need new layer with layer mask. And obviously I am looking at the Earth and it looks pretty good. I did not get that blue ring that I had originally seen on it. So new layer with layer mask, click OK. Now I'm going to come over here and I am going to go to the crop tool because we definitely do not need everything that is on here. Just a reminder that we want to make sure that the background is transparent and not white or blue. So I'm going to go as close as I can. I'm going to hit there. And if right now you're looking at your Earth by chance and the background is white or solid black, and it is not the gray and white checkerboard, you will want to start over and go to File, New, and make sure that you're starting with a transparent background. And then just place your image in. Right now, we don't need both of these layers because, again, it just takes more space. So I'm going to go to a background layer, and I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to delete that layer because we do not need it. Again, less storage, the better. And right now, this is exactly what I need. I'm going to go up to File, scroll down to Save As, and I want to make sure it is a TIFF, and it is the main globe, so I'm just going to put main. Actually, I'm just going to title it Earth 2. And yours most likely will say Photoshop first at the top here. Do not do a JPEG. We're going to go all the way down to the bottom for a TIFF. We need it to be a TIFF because we need that option to save the background as transparent, which you will see in the next window that comes up. Save transparency. Very, very important. Click OK. Click OK. And you want to make sure that you actually have it on your desktop before you close anything so you don't want to lose the work. So I'm going to go to my desktop because that's where I was working, where I grabbed it from. And yes, sometimes, yep, I got both of them. The one I was doing before and this one. So that is the Earth 2. So that is how to crop/extract something that is round. You can also use the square if you need to, perfectly from a photo and not have the background. And then you can place that into your surrealism or your alter ego shadows, superimposed shadows. Hope you enjoyed today, and that's about it. I'll be back at you soon with another tutorial. Bye, guys.